tail event. Which one would be the tail event?
A, B, and C.
Okay. So I'll keep 1, and this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. Okay. So A, B, C is over, and along with that one, what I have to do is that I have to write within bracket what is the time duration. Time duration is how much? A time duration is D5. Now I'll find out that which one would be my head event. Tail event हो गया, फिर head event. Which one would be my head event?
I, M, and N.
I, M, and
I
N. Okay. Rule of
M N N.
I, M, and N, which is not immediate predecessor for anybody. They are the tail event predecessor. A, see, A is immediate predecessor for E or also for F. Similarly, B is also. That means this is not the last act. A is having a successor. Okay. Who is the successor? For A, who is the successor? E is the successor. F is also the successor. Isn't it? Sir. A is having a successor. Okay. That is after A, E is coming. After A, F is coming. After B, F is coming. After C, G is coming. Okay. After D, F is coming. Okay. Similarly, after E, I is coming. After F, I is coming. After G, I is coming. Okay. After H, K is coming. Okay. Or L is coming. But I, after I, what is coming? We are finding anywhere. I is an activity. But after I, what comes? Is it there in the list? In
No,
this
sir.
list of no? Okay. Similarly,
No, sir. M N N.
J also it is there. K is also there. Okay. So L is also there. But for M, N and N, do you find over here? M is there in the immediate predecessor list. It is not there. N is also not there. So what are the things that would be the like tail event are A, comma B, comma C. Head event becomes I, comma M, comma N. Is that clear? So I do not know what would be the number. Like here it is 1. I am not sure that what would be the. I'll just randomly say that this is I, this is M, and this is N. Is that clear? I, M, N also I have tried. I, M, N. Okay. Now I'll come to D. For D, immediate predecessor is which one?
C.
This is D. It is 9. So E is also done. Then F is saying that A, B, and D. F for F it is A, B, and D. F activity would be starting. Okay. F activity. Okay, it will start from A, B, and D. D I can combine this way. B and D is getting connected to F. Okay, and let us put first what is the duration for F. F duration is 4. Okay, so F is for F starting point is A, B, D. These are the immediate predecessor. B and D is satisfying, and B is starting from one node, and D is also starting from another node. So that is satisfying as per the norm. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But at the same time, they are saying A. So A is starting from 1. Okay, B is also starting from 1. Okay, A is starting from 1 and B is also starting from 1. So what we do? What I have to do now? I have to draw
Sir,
it.
dummy.
Clear to all? Others?
Yes, sir.
From D I'll put. Okay. So I can draw a line in this way and I can write over here that this is D1. Okay. And I'm not mentioning any time duration over here. There is, I'm not mentioning any time duration. Okay. Or it is 0 you can write, or you can simply keep as it is. Okay. So F part is also over now. 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay. This is my 4. Okay. And then after, from here, whatever it is going, I'm not concerned for that one. It is D7. Let me write in it. It is
Sir,
uh,
there
yes.
from C to D, that one will be 2, no?
C to
From
D.
C to D.
They make
Yes, sir.
C to D, A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. A is the immediate predecessor for whom? For E. B is the immediate predecessor
Yes,
for
sir.
A. C. So in this way, 1 already we have allotted. So 2, 3, 4.
Ye-
Okay, this
Yes,
is
sir.
going in a systematic. You can give this one as 4, this one as 2, this one as that is there, but it is in a system. It is becoming a systematized. Okay, A first, then after B, then after C. Okay, so D we have given here dummy activity. We have introduced. Now C is also starting from C D. Okay, and then after G activity is starting. G activity. I can start. Okay, from here, and it is not coming to G, then after G to I, G to I, G to D अगर होता, okay, G to F अगर होता, यहाँ पे F, here F is there. If G to F, okay, here another node. So that point of time we have to think that how to link over here. Okay, but it is coming from here and there is no relation. So I can draw straight away G line. C is coming from here. This is C. C, then after from C to G. Is that okay? I'm not debating till now. No deviation. I'm going as per the norm. Okay. So G is also over. Then after H, starting with C. H is also starting from H is also starting from H. What is the duration? Is it clear? No issue. It can start, but we have not seen whether they are ending at the same point or at a different place. Okay. So, well, I'll click over here. This is okay. Okay, now I is EFG. I is EFG. EFG. I is this is correct. No? I is EFG. EF and G. So I can. I is over here. I are you seeing? This is I. Is that okay? E. Let me use another. This one should come and meet over here. And this one should also. F should also come and meet at I. And G should also come and meet at I. Okay. So for that one, what we'll do is that first let us connect I. E to I. There is no issue. This is okay. E to I. Okay. Then after F. F to I, and F here also another F is there, just the next one. Okay, F is here. What they are saying that F is also connecting to J. F is also connecting to E to 9 is okay. Okay, then after G is also connecting. G is also connecting I. So G should also come over here. Okay, these two we'll just see, because here I and J you can say here FG is there, here also FG is there. Okay, where is I, J, and which one is J? J is leading to M. J is leading to M. Okay, and M is the last event. Is that clear? See, let me use another color. FG over here, FG, at which one? Link with I, link with J. Okay, I is the last event, so we have no issue, we can finalize that one. And J, but J is over here. J and M is having relationship. Okay, so for that purpose, what we'll do is that we'll start from here. This one is J. So J is over Okay, now F and G, F and G, F and G both are separate. F and G are separate. Okay, and they are joining to which one? F and G are joining to J, joining to F, joining to J, F and G joining to F and G. These two line has to join with J, as well as these two line has to join with I. Is that clear? So first of all, we'll combine F and G. Absolutely no issue. F and G with that of J. This is clear now. Then F and G getting connected to I, and I is the last event. How to draw the line?
Dummy 2.
F and G to this point. Clear? F and G. But I have connected this F and G to which one? Just before J.
J.
6.
So how shall I connect this F and G?
We can connect 6 number and 5 number by a dummy.
See, F and G connected to this point. Okay, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, and from here another one is here. Okay, this is 6, and now I have to connect this thing, that is 3 and 4 with that of 5. Okay, instead of one to this way. Okay, there. One dummy activity if I'll introduce over here. So this one would be linked to this one, isn't it? Father, mother, son. Okay, so which is this one? That is J is the son of this father and mother. Okay, and also we are saying that I is also the daughter of or second son of this father and mother. Is it clear? So if 3 and 4 I am connecting to 6, if I'll give a link over here, कि इनका जो the parents of this one is same of that of I as well J. J का जो parent है, I का भी वही parent है. Can I say in this way? I am saying that this 6 point, what is this 6 point? 6 point is F and G both are coming over here to J, and from J M is going from there. Okay, so if these two, this one and this one is coming from here, can I connect? I can connect to 6 to 5. I can connect. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can thing. Okay. D2. Okay, this one too. So when I am drawing this line, okay, this line 2 to 3. What is 2 to 3? What is the meaning of this one? By seeing this one, tell me what is 2 to 3? 2 is started once A, or this one 3 would be started after 2, completion of 2. Yes or no?
Sir,
3 would be
it
started.
means bringing the A to
Sir, which one?
3.
A, that means I am connecting this A, I am connecting to this one. B and A both are finishing over here. Then after they are from A, after completion of A, after completion of B, then F is starting. That is what we are saying. A completion, B completion, and D completion. Then F is starting from here. So this 3 point is combination of which one? Combination of A, B, and D. When A, B, D is completed, then F starts. Clear? When A coming from 1 to 3, B coming from 1 to 3, and D coming from this one from 4 to 3. Okay, after that, or F will be started when A done, B done, C, D done, then F can start. Okay, so what would be the time duration required for when A can start? The 2 point, it can start at 1 point, it is 0, 2 point, it is 5. Okay, for 3 point, how much? What would be the time over here? What time 3 event would be? 11.
Sir, 11. Yes.
11.
16.
For 3 event, there are 3. For 3 event can be A
Oh, sir. Yes, sir.
possible, only B possible, C, D possible. So if it is A, D1, then it will be 5. If it is only, if it is C, D, then it is. Okay, so just like the example in the beginning class, I told that marketing finance class is over, but HR there is no class, so they cannot claim that 12 to 1 के बदले में हमारा you start our class at 11 to 12. It is not possible. Similarly, they have to 5. Though A activity is being completed, but how much time they will be waiting? A activity completion. After that, the end product would they would be waiting for 10. Okay, 10 weeks or minute or hour, whatever. Okay. Similarly, B would be waiting for 4 hours. Okay. So D activity खत्म होगा, फिर उसके बाद F would be starting. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So now, so on that basis, what we are doing over here. So here I will write this is 5. This would be, and how much would be this one? How much I'll write over here? 4. How what would be the value over here? 4 can start after how much time? 1 is 0, 2 is 5, 4 is
8.
Sir, 8.
okay. So this 0, 5, 8, and then after over here it would be 50. So this is called EST, that is earliest start time. Okay, now so in this one 6, so we'll network issue out there. So am I connected?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am saying that if F and G giving lead to J as well as giving lead to I. I can draw this line this way and I can write over here. Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you agree with dummy 2?
Yes, sir.
So once E, F, G is done, E, F, G is done. This is okay. J is also okay. J is also okay. Now H, K. H is leading to giving lead to K. H is also giving lead to L. Okay. From H, K and L. I do not know where it is there. K and L. And K and L are not the end activity. Okay. Then M. M is one end activity. M is an end activity. Just let me into M. K is leading to M. A leads, this is K. Then after L is leading to N. H, K, L, M, N, M, N. This is L. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now the duration will write would be 8. This one would be 9. This one would be 10. Is that okay with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.